I'd like to invite Yoav, who will then invite the commander of Atidim. He's the CEO of the board of Atidim, and he'll tell us what Atidim is and who are these amazing people who just walked in. Okay, so good late morning, and now you're going to hear maybe something about something else. It'll give you a different angle. 1999 was a very interesting year. A lot of things happened, but also the Atidim organization was founded. This is an organization that was founded in the IDF, and it's very unique in Israeli landscape and in general because it includes both a civilian NGO and a military unit that is part of the 8-1 technological unit. I'd like to invite Lieutenant Colonel Uriah Shimon, the commander of Atidim, and we work together for our joint purposes, and we have a very quote-unquote simple mission. We've been doing it for many years, and that's to bring teenagers from the periphery and unique populations, our most outstanding young men and women, to centers of excellence in the IDF, in the industry, and in high-tech. This is our goal. We do so in science and technology in order to advance these individuals, but just as importantly, to advance the Israeli army, economy, and society. And we're doing so through the operation of a series of programs that start at high school age. And that was a good opportunity to tell you that we have 200 students who participate in the Atidim program. They're here with us. They are our future generation in the army in high-tech. They've come from Yerucham, Carmiel, Ashkelon, Kfar Galil, and they're going to be here throughout the day. You're most welcome to approach them and talk to them. We start with programs before military service, and then we continue with the programs led by Uriah in the IDF, especially related to the academia, and then we help them afterwards with their academic degree to study engineering and other professions, and we have a very big and impressive alumni organization with almost 10,000 participants or members, and Uriah will take it from here. So hello, everyone. As far as our impact, we've seen how in the past decade we have over 30% representation in the Atuda, pre-military academic studies track. At the beginning, when we were founded, it was just 4%, but now it's over 30% over this past decade. This past year, it's been 36, 34%. It's a major thing for the IDF. In the IDF, 25% of the lieutenant colonels are graduates of the pre-military university studies program, and we have a lot of people who were in our programs in high school, over 9,800 graduates of these programs, technical engineers, etc. And when we looked into it, we saw that the financial contribution to the Israeli economy was 18 billion shekels. And as we approach 2060, we're talking about 90 billion. The Chief of General Staff in 2020, because of the needs of the IDF, told us to double the numbers, and now we are opening our 5th year, and I'm proud to tell you that we are meeting our goals. The program is meeting its goals. From everything that's been said by previous speakers, the need in the IDF today is acute, and of course it's been further increased because of the war, because now it's on plan to turn from a small and smart army, the IDF, to turn into a bigger and smarter army. And we need more combat soldiers, but more technologists and more academics, definitely in this field, in this topic that we've gathered here today to discuss, and we operate towards this end. One of our excellence programs, and the students who participate in it as well, is the Lehavim program. Yeah, feel free to applaud yourselves. Unlike various other excellence programs in Israel who are developed in the center of Israel, this program developed in the periphery. Our motto is periphery first, and the goal is indeed to educate and give all the tools and the know-how and the multidisciplinarity to young men and women from the periphery in the field of drones, and not just how to operate them, but to be familiar with the entire technology and platform so that they can later use it in the army, and just as important later on in your companies in the industry and high tech. So this program operates formally in Beersheba and Carmiel, and also in schools across the country. It's a very significant program, one of the many excellence programs of Atidim. And just like I said, they are our future. And as Atidim, we are investing everything, all our energy into this future generation. They are the victory generation, as we can see from what's happening in the war and in general. And they are the ones who can help us win and help save Israel for better years in the future. So that's us. And our slogan is, be realistic, dream. We are living in a reality no one could have imagined over this past year or more. This is our reality. We are all living through this. It hasn't skipped over anyone. And we ask our participants to never stop dreaming, not for 1 minute. And we are here to help them make these dreams come true.